Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2007 Honda Shadow 1100 Sabre Edition. This motorcycle has just under 9,100 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike definitely needs a set of tires. As you can see by that front one, there's really no tread left on it. They've added a clear, kind of a touring windscreen to it, nice and tall. Boy, that doesn't want to focus, does it? Alright, let's see if we can do it at a little different angle then. So it's got speakers and a phone mount and charger, as well as passenger footboards and a Corbin 2-up seat with a grab rail and a passenger backrest. And that rear tire is gone. So like I said, needs a set of tires. So this bike has been tipped over on the left-hand side, but it's pretty minimal. Again, footboards for the passenger. We've got a couple of scrapes here on the tank and a small dent, as well as some scrapes here on the side. But other than that, not too bad. Oh, I forgot about this one. A little bit on the front fender here too. Alright, let's show you those miles now. Oh, I bet it's in neutral. Or I bet it's in gear. Yes, it is. This 2007 Honda Shadow Sabre 1100 is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.